Smart locks offer convenience, but auto lock issues can be frustrating. Let's troubleshoot common problems to keep your home secure. First, check your lock's batteries. Low power is a frequent cause of auto lock malfunctions. Replace them and test the lock. Next, examine the door and frame. Misalignment or obstructions prevent the deadbolt from extending fully, stopping auto lock. Ensure the door strike plate is properly aligned with the deadbolt. A slight adjustment can make a big difference. Clean around the strike plate and the door jamb. Debris or paint buildup can interfere with the lock's mechanism. Sometimes, the problem lies with the lock settings. Access your smart lock app or keypad to review auto lock configurations. Verify that the auto lock feature is enabled and set to your desired delay time. An incorrect setting can cause unexpected behavior. For Wi-Fi or Z-Wave locks, ensure a strong connection to your home network. A weak signal can disrupt communication and auto lock functions. If your lock has a magnetic sensor, check if it's securely attached and properly aligned on the door frame. Magnets detect the door's open/closed state. A firmware update might resolve underlying software bugs. Check your Locks app for available updates and install them. Consider performing a factory reset. This will clear all settings and can often fix persistent issues, but you'll need to set it up again. If you've recently installed new hardware on the door, like a new weather strip, ensure it's not causing too much friction for the deadbolt. Still having trouble? Consult your smart locks user manual or visit the manufacturer's support website for specific troubleshooting steps. When all else fails, reach out to customer support. They can offer advanced diagnostics or arrange for a replacement if the lock is faulty. Regular maintenance and occasional checks of your smart lock will help prevent auto lock issues and ensure continuous security.